in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pope County, Illinois, northwestern Livingston County, Kentucky, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Golconda, or 13 miles northeast of Metropolis, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Golconda and Dixon Springs. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Pope, Illinois, and Livingston, Kentucky.